Hey everybody, it's Steve, and look at my new Shehds GalaxyJet. It's a beautiful beast, and it looks great in its auto functions. But if you want complete control of all its parameters, you can go really deep and have 227 channels of DMX control. That's almost half a DMX universe. And with that many controls, you could spend weeks and weeks of programming, or you could just call in my little friend. Hello, MaestroDMX. I don't know how it does it, but this little brain, which is larger than this one, listens to your music with its audio in jacks and outputs an amazing DMX light show with its DMX out jack. So in this video, let's first set it all up, then watch how well it controls the 12 moving heads of this magnificent machine. Okay, the first thing we want to do to get this working right is put it in 227 channel DMX mode. And so in order to do that, you can see right now it's in 20 channel mode. But we're going to go into the menu, we're going to go into the DMX settings, we're going to hit channel, we're going to set it in, 227 channel mode, hit OK, go back, and you can see it's ready to go with the starting address of 1. The MaestroDMX connects wirelessly to your computer, tablet, or phone, and it has a ton of fixture profiles built in, and hundreds more that you can download. But you can also create your own profiles. So let's jump in and take a look how. First, go to your Fixture Profile tab and add a profile, then give it a name and some optional information like the manufacturer. Then you add a mode, and here's where we're going to create the 227 channel mode. And now it's just a matter of picking the parameters for each channel from the drop-down menu. For example, the first 24 channels are tilt and fine tilt for each of the 12 heads. Channels 39 through 50 are zoom for each of the heads. 52 through 179 are dimmer and RGBW for each head, and finishing up with the warm and cool light parameters for the border LEDs. It does take a little bit of time initially to set this thing up, but once the AI understands the light, then you leave the rest of the decision making to it. Now it's just a matter of giving the Maestro an audio signal into these stereo RCA jacks and connecting the DMX out to the GalaxyJet. And everything should be ready for takeoff. All right, now let's give this thing a spin and see how it looks. I appreciate you watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.